S&D Electrical. Electrical and solar specialists. Contact us today.
Why go solar? How does it work, and will it eliminate my high power bill? The answer is yes. Solar Energy. We follow a 5-step process to get you on your way to own your energy. Step 1. Fill out the form. Your information will be sent to our staff to set up a free in-home appointment. Step 2. After confirming your home qualifies, we will set up your in-home appointment with our solar consultants to explain all the benefits and savings associated with going solar. This helps us design a system that's best for you and your home. Step 3. Once you've decided to move forward, we begin the process of handling the red tape that goes into construction. We do everything from the permits and design to the installation in-house. Step 4. Next, we set a date for installation. Our team of engineers show up and install your personalized system. This typically takes 2 to 3 days. Step 5. The final step is turning the system on and watching your high power bill disappear. It's that simple. Click on the link below to get started today.